Good morning, kindergartners. Today we are on page 155 of your student journal, page 155. And today we are going to decompose. Remember, that means we're going to break apart numbers with sums. Sums means we're doing addition to 5 and 6. So today we're still going to be seeing number pairs. We're pairs of numbers that total the same sum. So remember, there's different number pairs that will equal the same sum. So there's not going to be just one right answer to these. And then we're going to be decomposing, which means to break numbers apart into smaller numbers. Okay, and we're going to be using a number bond to help us with this. And remember, in our number bond, we said the whole equals part plus part. And then once we do our number bond, we can make an equation out of it because our whole equals part plus part, so we get to fill in numbers. Okay, so I'm going to get started on mine today, friends. And here is my first problem. My first problem says, decompose the number 5 into a number pair. Record your equation. Okay, so my number is 5. So my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and they want me to decide how to break that up. So I think I'm going to only put 1 in my first part. Well, if I only put 1 here, how many have to go in this part? Because I know whole equals part plus part. So how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to put 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, if this is my number bond, then my number is whole equals part plus part. So whole equals part plus part. So I can fill in my numbers. My whole was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first part was 1, and my second part was 1, 2, 3, 4. So my equation is 5 equals 1 plus 4. Now this isn't the only way I could have done that, friends. I'm going to try it a different way. I'm still going to have decompose 5. So it still says decompose 5 into a number pair. Record your equation, but I'm going to do it differently. So I'm going to have 5 as my whole, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time, what if I decide I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 in this part? 1, 2, 3. Well, I know it's part plus part, so how many are left? If I put 3 here of the whole, I have 1, 2 left that needs to go there. So my equation is whole equals part plus part. So whole equals part plus part. So what was my whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time I said my part was 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2. So 3 and 2 equaled 5. I also had said 1 and 4 equaled 5 before. So these are number pairs, and they both equal 5. Okay, let's see a different problem. This time, my problem says, decompose the number 6 into a number pair. Record your equation. Okay, so this time my whole is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and they want me to decide how to decompose it. Well, I get to choose how many I want to put here. So maybe I'm going to put 1, 2 there. Well, if I put 2 here, how many are left for here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I know my equation is whole equals part plus part. whole equals part plus part. So what was my whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my part was 1, 2. And my other part was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's just one way I could have done this, friends. There's many other ways I could have done it. I'm going to show you just one more. I could say decompose the number 6. Let's do it a different way. So I'm still going to have 6 here. Okay, what if I decide I'm going to put all 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put all 6 in this one. If I put all 6 here, how many is in this part? Isn't there going to be none? There's going to be none. So what do I know, friends? I know my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know my part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus none or 0. So this is a number pair. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And we had also said that 2 plus 4 equals 6. Can you think of other ways we could have done this, friends? Is there more ways that we could have decomposed 6? If you're saying yes, you're right, because there's lots of different ways we could do this. Okay, have a great day, kindergartners. Bye-bye.